identified cable route have been identified phase and will be reviewed during phase installation and survey are conducted.
I think this route also, Chairman, you put the same recommendation what you put it above, na?
Yeah,
the cable route.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, correct. So that is okay. No major concern. Timing, no problem. During construction. Activity, no concern.
Actually, here timing, if you can put, if shutdown requirement is feasible, ensure operations team to, align with the APC.
No. Okay, so any concern you are anticipating, Rakesh?
No, the shutdown period actually should be aligned with both operations team and APC contractor. Not in terms of this, but access and ingress.
If in case
shutdown is envisaged, is required or envisaged, okay.
Then operation.
Yeah.
And a construction team, not operation team. Construction team, CONST.
With operations team.
Right, that is okay. So that will be done. And
handover of pipeline. Okay, smooth handover of not pipeline. Don't put smooth handover. Operations team. We can say.
I think this is okay. I mean, they will take care. And they will also make the shutdown period, shutdown window. They will, depressurize it. They will do it. So no concern, no concern. Route of vehicle, I think this is not a major construction equipment driven. So no heavy machine vehicles is required. So ensure standby rescue team. This will be there for installation of the detector.
No, I don't know what is this ensure standby rescue team. No,
this is related to emergency response plan when you are going to do the construction.
I don't know, but that is on the tank top. We agreed, but this is okay. This is a normal. This thing, it's okay. You can delete here.
Okay, so I agree because you have the emergency response plan, and this will be done. No problem. Okay, so
can we take a break, short break, or you want to continue? How it will?
I think okay, so let us do this. Then we can go for break, and we'll come back for CMOPs.
Okay.
We'll go very, very quickly. Yeah. Approximately 10 days. So no major concern. Journey management plan. The journey management plan will be there by no problem. No long read. No long read.
You mentioned there is no heavy machine or vehicles required. How you will install the foundation and all this?